Everyone has a beginning. We all have a beginning. Everyone. We have a goal. We have an end game. We need to get there. We're not there right now. Are we close? Can we see a light? Will we finish? Everyone does not get there the same. Everyone doesn't have the same finish. So with that being said, love your road, enjoy your process. Just begin. Put your foot down and go. Put your foot down and begin to live. You're not there right now. That's okay. The days will make you. The months will make you. Coming back tomorrow will make you. Cherish the beginning. Cherish the start. Cherish the spark. Never be afraid to say that you're here, that you want to belong. If you do not start the process, consequences lie on the road. You'll meet those consequences later on, and those consequences can be avoided. You can avoid those consequences. You don't even have to face them. Face yourself. Face yourself right now to avoid the mishaps, the setbacks, falling down again. We all have a beginning. Everyone must start from somewhere, a place. Put your foot on the line and push. Put your shoes on and walk. Fight for yours. You and your family, you and your friends. Be the shining example that they need to see. Be who you need to be. We all have a beginning. We all must start now.